Hi, my name is Brian Murray, and I am a registered mental health counselor intern here at the LifeWorks Group. And today I want to take a few minutes to talk to you about the desire to seek counseling. Often seeking counseling can be a question of motivation. What causes a person to not want to seek counseling? What's behind the drive and the motivation to go versus not going? Often this has to do with something called ambivalence. Ambivalence is about someone who's sitting on the fence and they're not sure whether or not they really want to go or not go. They might feel some pain and suffering in their life. They understand that there's a problem going on, but for some reason they lack some desire or the drive to really go down, make an appointment, and get in there and start talking about things in their life that haven't been really going well for them. They know that there's a problem there, but they're unsure whether or not they should go and talk to someone about these things. There's a tool and a technique that you can use that might help you if you're struggling whether or not to seek counseling, and to ask a few basic questions and get to the bottom of the answer of these questions. Number one would be, what would you like to achieve as a result of going to counseling? Number two is, what's the worst that can happen by going? And number three is, more optimistically, what is the best thing that can happen as a result of going to counseling? Take some time to take care of yourself, seek the answers to these questions, and if at all, maybe go 1, 2, 3 times and get to the answer to those questions and continue going if needed. Thank you very much.